Welcome to Arduino series for beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about question number 4. How can you make an LED slowly get brighter and then dimmer again? So that's a question we are going to cover today in this video. So you can read the material here, and here we have the circuit setup and the code and explanation of the code, everything here. So let's go ahead and set up the wire, and then we will test how it works. Build this project, we need Arduino Uno, 2 jumper wires, LED, resistor and breadboard. So the circuit setup is quite simple, right? You need to just see the wire setup in the blog or what you see on the screen. So make sure you connect the longer leg of LED to PWM pin. For this project I have chosen pin 9. It's a PWM pin. So setup is done. Now let's go ahead and upload the code. Just go to the website again, the web page, copy the code from here and go to Arduino IDE and just paste here. Now make sure you have connected your Arduino Uno to the right port to your PC or laptop, alright? And I have chosen COM3, and it's time to upload the code. So the sketch is getting compiled. It is uploading the code. Code has been uploaded, and you see the result. The LED is working fine. It's a dim and again bright. So this is very simple project for beginners.